YouTube, what up, what up? We back at it again with another unboxing and quick look at Atlas by Lattafa, excuse me, Lattafa, Atlas. I did Parfum, 1.85 ounce. Let's get straight into it. So this is, this is that Middle Eastern brand. From what I heard, this thing is nuclear. This thing is very strong. So this is the box. Pretty nice box. Atlas. Okay. Nice. Puts up like a little book. It's pretty fire. Atlas, Lattafa, top note, aquatic. C notes, heart note, jasmine, cologne, jasmine and cologne. Base note, cedar wood, Atlas, musk, abroxin. Okay, so you can see them right there. That's pretty fire. I might keep this box. This is pretty nice. Yo, Lattafa, man, they be hitting. So yeah, this is one of those Middle Eastern fragrances. Yeah, look at that juice. So the cap is fire. It gives you that old like sea, at the beach, sea, like, just rusted metal type shit. That's pretty fire. And the perfume. So this is just a quick unboxing. See if I can get a whiff of this. I'm actually spray this on one of these test tabs. Oh wow. That smells pretty good. Spray some of this. I'm actually spray this away over here. Oh yeah, that smells very good. It has a good sprayer too, atomizer. Top notes, aquatic, C notes. I'm getting a real good smell out of this. This might be my scent of the night, but yeah, I'll be back with a review for this and let y'all know how the longevity and the salage and all that good stuff is. Appreciate you guys watching. We out.